Hello everyone, welcome to IK Tech. Samsung has finally introduced the rumored Galaxy S8 Lite smartphone as Samsung Galaxy S Lite Luxury Edition, SMG 8750, in China. It has a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus Infinity display, it's powered by Snapdragon 660 with 4GB RAM, comes with a 16-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera, both with f1.7 aperture. It runs Android 8.0, Oreo, with Samsung's own Experience UI on top. It has a glass back with metal frame, comes with hybrid dual SIM slots and packs a 3000 mAh battery as the Galaxy S8. It has a fingerprint sensor and iris recognition as well, but it doesn't have a heart rate sensor. Please like the video and subscribe to IK Tech.